Hi everyone, my name is Rohith kashetty. I am from Siddipet. I have completed my BTech in the year 2024 in Computer Science and Engineering. I am currently working as Java Full Stack Developer in Agile Consulting Services. After the completion of my graduation, I have planned to go to USA, but due to some personal reasons, I have dropped to go to USA. Later, I was searching for a best IT course. One of my father's friends suggested me to join the Agile Coding Tutor. Then me and my father came for the orientation. After the orientation, me and my father felt that this is not like other coaching institutions. This is a real IT company and this is the right place for me to start my career. After joining Agile Coding Tutor, my understanding about coding is completely changed. In my college days, I am unable to write a single piece of code. In fact, I am scared to write the code. I am unable to build my own logic. Coding Tutor helped me build my coding skills and logical skills as well as confidence. Today, I am able to write hundreds of lines of code on my own. During my initial days in Agile Coding Tutor, I am unable to do my tasks. I am afraid and scared at that time. But slowly and steadily, with lot of practice, I could improve my skills. Not only coding, Ajay believes that 70% communication is needed and 30% technical skills needed. To improve communication, I have attended communication sprints as well as talent hunts. In talent hunt, we participated in code walkthrough, debate, group discussion, Ajay talk show, and Ajay radio. All these things helped me to improve my communication skills as well as confidence. After completing all Java trainings, we got into project mode. I am part of project called MFIT, which stands for my first IT job. Even getting into a project is a scary thing for me because I didn't have any experience to build a project from scratch. I have participated in requirement gatherings, talking to business, and brainstorming with my team members. But still, I have a lot of questions in my mind how to go about it. All this fade away when I got the access of Jira and I have gone through your stories and I have started working on tickets that are assigned to me. Even the Jira tickets, I don't know how to start, where to start, and how to complete the task. As I completed the task, I gained coding skills and confidence day by day. As we are using Jira and we are implementing agile methodologies, daily we attend Scrum calls. Scrum calls is the best platform to discuss about any blockers and to seek any help. The project MFIT, tools like Jira, GitHub, and the process like Agile giving me a great experience and made me a great Java full stack developer. To conclude, so far my journey in Agile Coding Tutor is exciting and enlightening. Once I am done with MFIT project, I will be deployed to Agile customers project and I'm looking forward for that. Thank you very much.